Hello guys, I hope you're all well. It's Laurie here with the Novice Garden. Thank you so much for joining me today. I've got a slightly different video this morning, and that is more of a vlog style video, so bear with me, I've never done one of those before. But I've got a few things I need to get on with outside in the garden, mostly kind of planting some new perennials and some grasses. So I'm going to take you guys out there and show you what we're getting on with. And then after that, we're going to head through to Edinburgh to meet up with my gorgeous friend Nicole, who is just like the best kind of person, and her beautiful little baby girl Iva. And we're going to head and we're going to have some lunch and have a good catch up. Then we're also going to take a tour around some really special gardens through there called Saughton Gardens. So let's head out into the garden. I'm going to show you some of the jobs that we're going to be getting on with. And I wanted to just finish up by saying hello to all of my new subscribers. There's a few more of you since the last time I did a video, and I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to subscribe and to join me for this gardening journey. It just fills me with so much joy to interact with you guys in the comments below. I love the fact that you take time out of your day to post something really nice, and I just want to say thank you for that, and keep doing it. And I love to just chat to you guys and hear about how things are going with you. So why don't you comment below and tell me something that is bringing you joy, maybe in your garden or maybe just in your life just now, and I will be sure to read it and get back to you. And also thank you so much for those of you who've been subscribed since day one, my day ones. I know there's not very much of you, but I'm just really looking forward to kind of like growing with you guys, and just interacting and being part of something that's a really nice community on here. So let's get to it. One of the jobs I want to be getting on with is here in my perennials and grasses border, which is just in front of us here. And I've already got some frosted curls carex planted in here, along with a mixture of alliums, ornamental poppies, and I'm going to be planting some verbena bonariensis in here also. But I have these to add today, which are another grass called Stipa tenuissima, and it's just like slightly featherier and also more of an upright grass, so I'm going to plant some of those. So next up, I need to stake up this standard rose tree to its stake. They've come undone from one another. I'm just going to use some garden twine and lash the two together. Not too tightly though, so I don't cause any irritation to the trunk of the tree. So while I'm over here, I thought I would just show you a prime example of borrowed landscape. This is our neighbour's Clematis montana, which is started to flower on our side too. Quite happy about that. Also, have a look at these amazing foxglove. They're going to burst into bloom so soon. My next job is to get planting over on this side. I have a couple of Hakonacloa, which is a Japanese clump forming grass. It's beautiful, loves shade. It's going to be perfect over on this side, which is the shadier side of my garden. It's going to look great with some of the foliage textures and colours that I already have over here. So I'm going to plant this one here, which is a Hakonacloa aureola. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. It has a kind of lime green chartreuse foliage interest. I'm going to pop it over here in this space, and I think it'll just pick up the colours nicely from that kind of acid green of my euphorbia and the heuchera. It's just going to mirror that and put a little bit of rhythm and repetition into this border. So right now I'm planting it in the middle of this clump of daffodils, which are still to die back, but as soon as their foliage dies down, this grass will take over and provide interest here. So now for some more planting over on the shady side of my bed, and I've got a hosta here which is called Orion's Bell, and it has the most beautiful variegation. It's going to contrast the lime green heuchera that it's next to just so nicely. So it doesn't look like very much now, but this is Hakonacloa macra, and it will come out with a gorgeous deep green feathery foliage, which will look amazing next to the other shade loving plants that I have over on this side. And that's my planting all done. I thought I was finished, but I just have one more bit of planting to do up in this sunnier part of my garden, and these are called Purple Palace Heucheras. I love the way that the dark purple of the foliage is going to contrast what I already have in this part of the garden, which is my featherier, lighter, more delicate Nepeta, and they're underplanting my big, bold limelight hydrangea. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me for my garden jobs. I'm all finished up in the garden now. I'm going to go refresh, get changed, and then we're going to head through to Edinburgh to Saughton Gardens to meet up with my friend Nicole. Let's go. Hey guys, so I'm here. I'm at Saughton Gardens. I apologise, my gimbal has run out of battery, so sorry for any shaky footage.
Hello.
This is baby Iva.
Say hello.
And Nicole.
Hi.
My gorgeous pal.
Smile.
Yeah, Iva.
She's spotted our milk. She's like,
Oh. Look how delicious all this gorgeous food looks. We got some hummus with crostini, pea and ricotta bruschetta, some fries and a cheese board to share. Delish, delish. Naiva's getting her lunch too.